Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play Touch by Seal on acoustic guitar. The guitar is tuned standard, EADGBE. And I have to tell you, I never thought that I'd be able to play a Seal song with two chords. That's right, we're going to play this song with two chords. If you need tabs on these chords, use the tutorial link in the description below to get tabs for the chords. We'll start the song by just strumming the chords one at a time, like this. And that's going to sound like this. For the first part of the song, we'll strum the chords this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Later on, we'll strum the chords, and they'll sound like this. Your face, your touch. For the strumming of the chords, we'll strum down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Those are the emphasis points for our strumming. We'll be strumming this way. And if we use the emphasis points, we're going to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And believe it or not, we will be able to play that throughout the entire song. And that's all we need for Touch by Seal on acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.